Good morning, Miss Nelson's class. How are we doing? It's Friday, April 24th, 2020, 4-24-20. It's birthday time for Miss Olivia. Happy birthday, Olivia. I hope you have a fabulous birthday weekend and all your wishes and dreams come true once you blow those candles out. So yay! As you guys can see, I've got my disco lights on. Thought we could use some cheering up, some motivation, get our work done today so we can enjoy our beautiful weekend with our family and friends. I think it's gonna blind me though. But just wanted to make it some fun this morning. Not a lot of announcements to make really. Just remember performance tasks are due today for math, science, and ELAR. Remember in ELAR, you're just going to down to the bottom, performance task. You're going to click on the link up above and then click grades 1 and 2. Click week 2 and scroll down to story number 7, the car safety, okay? And all you guys are doing is writing exactly what we did on lesson 3. You tell me what the topic is, why it's important, and give me an example, okay? Easy peasy, all right? And then in math, you've got 2 problems to do. You just click on the link and it will send you to the page. If not, just email me. For some reason, it's worked for some and not for some others. So just text me or email me. Let me know if you need me to send that to you, okay? And then science is super easy. You just look at that adorable picture of the mom and her cub, and you just tell me what similarities they have. Easy peasy, guys. Make sure, though, I can't stress it enough, I need these works to be turned into me. I have to submit these back to the school. This is how we're using for grades, for report cards. This is the data we're using to see if they're ready to move on to 2nd grade. So please, you guys have been working so hard. Don't forget to send me these pictures of all your hard work. Okay, you can email it to me to my regular email, at school email, or on ClassTag, whichever one is easiest for you. Gosh, I think that is it. I can't think of anything. Of course, if you need me, it is Friday, so I will be in faculty meetings majority of the day. But again, I keep my cell phone on me so I can always check my emails while I'm on there if you guys have a question or anything. So, all right, today we're going to end with a fun song. I kind of forgot about this song. Emma actually found it for me last night. So, stand up. Get ready to move. Get your Friday going. Here we go. I hope you can hear it. Let's see and play. Hold on. All right, I love you guys. I miss you. Get that work done. Send it to me and have a wonderful weekend. I will see y'all next week.